Good afternoon, everybody. This first video of our statistics unit is actually designed to just work with you on setting up your notebook. We're at one of those points where if your notebook is a mess or if you can't find things, it's going to make it really difficult for you. So your homework on this particular day is going to be, sorry about the school bell, is going to be setting up the notebook. Now, I'm going to start with my table of contents. I will tell you I'm also going to scan this and put this up on Schoology. So if you notice, this is my table of contents filled in for every lesson, everything we've done. And you can see the dates running down the side. Yours should look the same. So if I turn the page, you will see that here's the next page. November, December, January, February, and we're going to be right here at day 1 statistics. Okay. So just kind of giving you an idea of this is what it's looking like. And I'm now moving on to my 3rd page in this statistics unit. Okay. So using my table of contents, I know that I need to turn to page 92. So I'm just turning in my notebook. You can see my pages are all numbered. Okay. And here's where we begin what I want you to do for this assignment. On this page, in my case, it's labeled pages 92 and 93. We can do this part in class, or you are welcome to do it ahead of time. Day 1, statistics. We're doing a very shortened version. It's going to cover what's in parts of what's in topics 15 and 16 in our textbook, but we're using other methods so that we could streamline things because we do need to get into our 7th grade textbook real quickly. Okay, we'll talk about this essential question when we're in class, our measures of center, and then range isn't really a measure of center, but we put it in there because it was the best place. Then you have this handout. I want it to go into your notebook. It gives examples and definitions for your measures of center and range. Okay, I want that to be part of your notebook. Then if you turn the page, you have these handouts as well. They were provided, or if you're online, they're printable, but I also offered for them to be picked up in the office. Okay, so notice this one says statistics, mean, median, mode. That needs to get glued into a page because we're going to take notes on it for our next lesson. On the very opposite page, notice the only thing in the middle is the spiral binding. It says range and more practice. These can be some classwork problems that we do. Okay, so this 2-page spread is going to be one lesson, and I really need it to be together. Next, turn the page. I want you to just set up, again, 2-page spread. And these are going to be work pages where we can do the work for some examples because these handouts don't have enough workspace for everything we're going to do. So we're building the space into your notebook. Turn the next page, and you can pause me at any point to catch up. Okay. So turn the next page, and here's another set of 2 handouts. This one says outlier, then choosing the best center, examples. Okay, and then this one, I didn't type it, and it's kind of a weird phrase. How changes to the data. Okay, it's actually how the outlier makes changes, but it's how changes to the data affect the center, but the way the fonts are makes it a little bit odd. These should go on a 2-page spread. Okay. And again, my pages are numbered. Now, again, we're going to build in, workspace. Okay. Measures of center and outliers. Okay, so these are just work pages you're building in that we can use in class. You can even use for home, like they're yours to use. The next glue in says box and whisker plots, 5-number summary, quartiles, distribution of data, interquartile range. Okay, we aren't going to do every single one of these, but we are definitely going to work with box and whisker plots, especially the reading of them. Finding out information from a given graphic. Okay, so these need to be glued in. And please use glue when you can, like regular white glue. It sticks best and lasts longest. Okay. And then last, I have work paper set aside again for box and whisker shape of data. I will do some shape of data work on this as well. That is what setting up your statistics unit looks like. I appreciate you guys getting this done as part of your homework and can't wait to see you in class.